What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So recently we took a look at the Techno Nightingale N1s, which was the first set of over-the-ear headphones on this channel. However, in this video today, we're going to be taking a look at the C Studio wireless headphones by One Audio. Now, first and foremost, One Audio did not send these headphones out to me. They were purchased with my own money, but regardless of the fact, I am still appreciative of any and everything that I get right here on this channel that I can share with you guys. And if tech tips, tutorials, reviews, and unboxings is something that you're into, then go ahead and press all those little buttons at the bottom of the screen. That way you can be a part of helping this channel grow. Let's get to it. All right, you guys, so if you're in the market for a set of over-the-ear headphones, you can find these on Amazon. I'll make sure I throw a link up in the description, but the price is about $46.99. And once again, these are the Pro C One Audio Bluetooth over-the-ear headphones that are wireless and wired. Let's go ahead and scroll through and see what else we can find on these bad boys. Going down right here, collapsible, portable, easy to carry, thoughtfully designed details. We got some, what's that, soft protein leather earmuff, okay, adjustable headband, memory foam, flexible to fit any type of head shape, surprisingly sound, Pro Cs. This is some of the button operations right here. Next song, you got the multi-function button, previous track, and it does have a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack right here. So you got the wired mode, which I think is going to be great for monitoring audio while doing videos like these. What else we got right here? High quality sound, 110 hours of playtime, 4 hours of charging gets you, 4 to 5 hours of charging time gets you 110 hours of playtime. Pretty good. Then that's in Bluetooth mode. You have a built-in 1000 milliamp hour battery. Pretty good, man. I think these are going to be pretty good right here. CVC 8.0 built-in noise cancellation mic. It says ensures clear hand-free calls. So with all that, let's just go ahead and get right into this box and see what all we get, guys. So taking a look at the box, I'm actually enjoying the presentation. The box looks really nice. This is a box that you may want to keep on the shelf, man. And as you can see in a lot of my videos, I keep a lot of boxes, I keep a lot of products, and I like to put them back in the box if I'm not using them. And this is gonna be one because this box just looks amazing. Really liking this style, man, right here. But flipping it over to the side, man, right here, just says special ergonomic design. We got some hi-fi sound, 110 hours of playback time, inline mic, wireless or wired. Flipping it over to the back right here, just some more information. You can pause the screen right here if you want to. That way you can take a look at that as well. And then on the other side, just some more branding, shows the headphones and things like that. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up. So once you open the box, you're gonna be greeted with your cables right here. So let's go ahead and take these out so we can get a quick look at them. So right here we have the micro USB charging cable right here. Put that down. And then we have the 3.5 right here, 3.5 right here. And it has the inline controls right there as well. So let's put that down to the side. Next, you got your manual right here. Pretty thick. Got a little bit of information and stuff. Nothing out of the ordinary. So let's go ahead and put that off to the side. And then down here you have another little instruction manual. So you get two different types of instruction manuals. Let's put that one off to the side. And then last but not least, let's move the box out of the way. Last but not least, you're going to have your actual headphones right here themselves in a nice little leather filling type of bag. Got some One Audio branding on that bag. I'm actually liking the accented red strings, red drawstrings. I'm liking that. Looks real nice. This does feel pretty good, feels premium. I actually like this case, and I'm pretty sure when I'm not using them, if they're not hanging up somewhere around on my desk, they will go back in this bag. So let's put this stuff off to the side right here. Let's go ahead and pop this open real quick. And once you pull them out, my first impressions of these bad boys is that they seem to be huge. They seem to be huge. They look really nice. They do have a little bit of a plastic feel. I like the little headband. Feels real nice and soft. We got some One Audio branding right there across the top, as you can see. Down here on the side, got their little logo right here. Let's go around a little bit more. Got the logo on the inside right here. You're gonna have your left and right inside of the ear cup. A lot of cushion. Feels real soft, feels nice. Yeah, I'm kind of liking these already. Down here on the bottom, micro USB, so you can charge it right there. Here's your controls right here. So you got all your controls right there, and got your 3.5 right here. So yeah, first impressions of these, just taking them out of the box and holding them in my hand. I'm already like confused as to how they spin around all like that. But first impressions of these, I think they're gonna be good, man. They feel good in the hands, I'm not gonna lie. They got a little bit of weight to them. They do feel premium. I like them so far. So what I'm gonna do, like I always do, guys, is I'm gonna go ahead and take these bad boys. Give me about a good hour or so, maybe 2, hell, maybe even 3 hours, because it is Friday and I am off work today. So Happy New Year's to you guys, even though today is New Year's Eve, but Happy New Year's to you guys. I'm off today, so I feel like I can spend a little bit more time listening to these. So what I'm gonna do is take my time. I'm gonna put these on, wear them around the house. I'm gonna test out the Bluetooth range, all of that stuff. I'm gonna test out them as far as them being wired. I'm gonna do a lot of things with these, listen to some music. I'll probably watch a couple of YouTube videos on the iPad. I'm just gonna do a lot of things, but I'm gonna keep them on to see if I get ear fatigue. So you guys give me about an hour, maybe even 2, and you know what we'll do. We'll come back and we'll talk about these bad boys, all right? See y'all in a minute. All right, you guys, so I've been rocking these for about 2 hours now, listening to music, watching videos on my iPad. I've even edited portions of this video using these headphones as well. And right here in 2022, being that these are the first set of headphones over the ear in 2022 on this channel, I will go out on a limb right now and say that these are my standard right now. Now, we did take a look at those Techno Nightingale N1, so we will do a side-by-side comparison of those as well here in the future. But for right now, these are going to be the standard right here in 2022. What I love about these is how they sound. I didn't even turn the volume up past 85%, man. So that just goes to tell you right there that the bass, the sound, and everything is crispy and clear, and it just gets loud and it's very, very punchy, and they just sound really, really crystal clear, man. It's amazing, the sound quality that's coming out of these One Audios, man. And for me to not go past 85%, I mean, I did just to test it out, but it seemed like it was just too much music at 100%, so I had to bag it down to like 85%, and that was like my sweet spot for what I wanted out of these headphones as far as sound goes. But they do get really, really loud. The bass on these is amazing. The quality is amazing. I even like the build quality. The cups are very, very nice and soft as well, man. So like I said, for right now, 2022, any over-the-ear headphones we get will have to be compared to these. And if something can take the place of these, that's going to be saying something, at least right here on this channel in 2022. So with that being said, man, I love them. I like them. All of the above. Music, quality, everything. It's a go on these right here, man. So let's wrap this video up. Now, if you did find this video to be helpful in some way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that like button so the YouTube algorithm can be nice to this video. It's been your man Jay, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.